Hello viewers, you can see my driving license got expired, which means I have completed my probation period of 2 years. Now it's time to renew and remove the P from the license. If you are a foreigner, try to visit JPJ Wangsa Maju branch in Kuala Lumpur, because for expats and foreigners, this branch is capable of providing all kinds of facilities. People go early in the morning to avoid long queues, but I always go immediate after lunch. It works for me always. In Wangsa Maju, you must go to the ground floor, collect your token and wait for your turn. For renewal, you need to bring your passport, photocopy of the biodata page of your passport, current driving license, main and photocopy of your visa or e-visa. Remember, for renewal, you don't need to bring any passport size photo of you. If your address changed from the address stated in your current license, then you need to fill up this form. Otherwise, you don't need to fill up any form. With these documents, go to the counter. The rest will be taken care of by the concerned JPJ officer. You have to carry a debit card. They don't accept cash or QR code transaction. You can extend your new driving license depending on your expired date of your passport. For each year of extension, they will charge 60 ringgit. I have extended for 3 years, so the extension charge is 180 ringgit. I have also changed my address. It cost another 50 Malaysian ringgit. JPJ provides two types of license cards. The first one is a paper card which you can laminate later. For the first one, you don't need to pay any amount. The second one is a plastic card. For that one, you need to pay 100 ringgit. I choose the plastic card for me, but both function the same. You can take whatever you want. It is very simple process. It won't take too much of your time. So here is my new driving license. Now there is no P sign in my driving license and it is extended for 3 years. So viewers, if you feel this video is useful, please like, comment and share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.